I'm trying all those things on, man. Your girl is sweating. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a review on one major product that I just purchased for the glutes, the booty, and then also some workout outfits that I did buy from Amazon. If you're interested, keep on watching. Alright guys, so you have been home. We're not sure what you're doing out there, but I know what I've been trying to do as of lately, and I know that I've been trying my hardest to work out, eat healthy, stay fit. I've never really been the person to really work out. I would do it like here and there, but this has been the most consistent I've ever been. And I just wanted to purchase more things for my home so that I can utilize them while being at home, since I've been doing a lot of home workouts. And with that, I decided to purchase some workout outfits as well to go along with that, because I like looking cute. I know I'm not going anywhere, but I do like looking cute while working out because I like looking at my figure just to see, you know, some of the changes that it has made. And actually I have a before and after picture to show you guys where I have more body fat than what I have now. And just a disclaimer, I'm not trying to lose weight. I'm actually trying to gain weight, but I do need to lose the body fat in order to bulk up. Does that make sense? I think it makes sense, right? What I'm going to show you guys is a line that I purchased from Amazon. Now, with this line, so far I've loved it. I do love it, except for with this outfit, and this is why I'm wearing this one first so that I can show you guys. But majority of them is the same style. So the reason why I compared the BootySprout with the clothing instead of doing a clothing haul is because it's the same thing. The only difference is the different colors. But I would say is I've used all of the colors that I have here. This is probably the only one that had a run on it, like the color transferred from it. And that was the only issue. But the thing is, I'll be working out from home, so it's not going to be an issue for me. But I'm just letting you guys know in case that this is something that's extremely important for you guys. Yeah, I'm just going to stand up and show you guys what it looks like. And I'm going to tell you my size. I don't know what my size was before. I think I did write it down, but if I find it, I will put it right here for you guys. So let's just look at some of these outfits. So for the first one, there's a color transfer here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I believe it's actually from the padding that was in here and I took it out. The only thing too was you can actually see my underwear that's beneath it, and I know a lot of girls do not like that, which would be an issue, especially if you're wearing white. So if you're wearing this color, I advise you to wear a thong with it so that you can see what it looks like. Tell me what you guys think. And I'm not sucking in my stomach, I'm just showing you guys that it actually has it's holding in a lot of the belly. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. If I suck it in, this is what I would look. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I love this color because I like bright colors. I love bright colors. It is squat proof, I would say that. So I'll show you in the back as well. This is very tight, so it hugs everything. Even when I go down, the only difference is this little piece right here. But that's about it. So let's try on some more colors, guys.
What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh. No way though, maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though.
Sis, I'm hot now. Just from trying all those things on, man. Your girl is sweating. Okay, so now for the unboxing. So I did order the BootySprouts. I would say I ordered it last week and I received it within a week, surprisingly enough, because I thought that I would probably get it within like 2 weeks. I don't know if my glasses are bothering you guys, but if it is, I'm sorry. But because I'm blind, I need it. Let's open this joint up. So it came in this box. Mind you, I am 5'5". Okay, this box is pretty big. Let's open it up and see. So my camera overheated because I knew it was hot in here. But anyways, let's just get back on with this. It has two handles right here. One right here, one right here. Let's just look at what comes with it. So as you can see, we have the pad and you have the weight bands, which is pretty thick. It's very dense. It comes with mesh, so you can roll it over like this. Just like lifting, you put a pad underneath it so that, well, above you, so that, you know, you're not hurting yourself. And then you have the 3 resistant bands. Oh, these are tough. Let's see how you mount this joint up. So, clicks into place. I'm gonna put it sideways so you guys can see. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So I'm actually going to test it out and see exactly how it feels. Now that I'm wearing this workout outfit, you guys can see like it is functional. You can purchase it without any issues. The only issue, like I said, was the orange one was see-through, and also some of the color transferred onto it, which was a bummer because I actually really like that color. But it's fine. You'll be fine. You'll be good. So let's just test it out and see what it looks like. Place upper, middle of back on the form. Note at the top of your thrust, your lower back should be perpendicular to the ground. I hope I'm doing this right. That's pretty hard. Let's see how hard it is for me to do the other 2. I'm nervous. Let's hide that. You don't need to see that. Okay, this is gonna be tough. Alright. Oh! I can't even go all the way up, man. Okay, that was a lot. So I definitely think that this will help with your workouts, especially at home. You know that you don't have a gym. Like for me, I have a treadmill downstairs, so I'm able to go on the treadmill whenever I need to or whenever I want to, or as part of my workout routine. And then now that I have this, and then I have my dumbbells and so forth, this definitely helps with at-home workouts. Not to mention, you can actually slide this joint under your bed. So you saw how I mounted it up, you saw how you can put it back down. So I recommend getting it. It is very heavy when you have to like go up thrust in order to gain those glute muscles. I personally think it's a good investment if you are, you know, trying to up your weight gain as far as your what is it, lifting gain. I don't even know what to call it because I'm really new to this, but this definitely aids in that from what I can see and what I can feel. If you guys are interested in purchasing it, I will put the link down in the description box below. Also with the workout outfits that I did purchase, I will also leave that down there. In the next video, I hope I see you guys. Bye.